So as I wait for the other one to load and drift into thought and pondering and letting wisdom come in through, growth, death, solid things, tires in the river, the water rushing over the rocks onto the other side, the path that leads back, and the path coming from the source. I'm just observing. What is it that you would have me do? How is it that you would have me be? Which one am I? Am I the green? Am I the stone? Am I the water? Or am I all of it? I'm going to step down and hopefully not fall. Yes, I'm a Capricorn. I usually don't fall. When I do, that's all right. I'll back up. So let's just think a little while how the water is redirected and turns and moves swiftly. Okay, let's think about this. Let's look at this now. See that little pool over there? I'm going to try to get in there. We're going over these sand and rock. Slippery little spots. But I have the proper shoes today. Being careful. Being careful. Reminds me a lot of Hawaii. A lot of Hawaii. Should I go up higher? I don't know. Looks like I can. Step. It's another little waterfall, huh? Little spot. You see this? The water coming down from up there. A little bit. You can see that. Helping the tree. Coming down, kind of pooling around, but helping the rock. It's all sustainable. Everything. Everything. So I'm switching hands here. To look into the water. So cool. It's so lovely. Oh, it feels good. It's about 80 degrees today-ish, something like that. Texas. Should I keep walking a little bit? I think I should. Let's see if we can do this without slipping. Let's try. I'll just watch where my feet are. Walking across. And down. Yes. And back to the path. So I ask for guidance and direction. I don't have mentors. I don't have people that can talk to me that know what I'm supposed to do. I just know that I'm restless and I want to wander, and I want to wander safely, and I want to wander freely. That's what I'm asking for. I want freedom to wander, freedom to go and wander and heal. There's some people up ahead, so I'm going to walk a little bit more. But that's my desire, and to keep clearing anything that sticks on me that tries to keep me indifferent or out of curiosity and contentment and opening doors, walking through doors that may not even look like doors, but being unafraid. I still continue to ask for that. Keep me unafraid. Keep the fear away. Stop. Clear, cancel, and delete any of my patterns of freaking myself out and backing off.